So a few months ago, I sold a townhouse, newer townhouse, to a very dear past client. She was super excited. We reviewed the seller's disclosure. Everything looked great. This place looked brand new. After final walkthrough, she went in and the sellers had removed all of their furniture. They had a huge area rug, table chair, whatever, that was covering up the flooring between the living room and dining room. She goes back to the house to meet a painter and they discover a big nick in the floor. And then upon further investigation, there were bumps in the floor and a little hump that was not able for us to, we couldn't see it at final walkthrough or during the buying process because it was covered by a rug. She decided to take the sellers to court. So we did a Zoom call a couple weeks ago. And the sellers basically admitted that they knew about the little chip in the floor, but forgot to write it on the disclosure, so they didn't feel it was a big thing. Unfortunately, they did not have any additional boxes of the flooring, so it was unable to be matched, and the flooring went throughout the entire main floor. So the buyer had no choice but to go ahead and replace the flooring. We just got the letter the day before yesterday. Yahoo! She won. That's why you need to disclose what you know and make sure you put it all on there. If you put something on your disclosure, people don't make a big deal out of it, but if you try to hide things, you won't get away with it.